Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are live. How's everybody doing over there? Hope you guys are ready for a fantastic day. Don't forget to smash that like button and make sure none of this is recommendation. I think today I'm going to be buying a little bit more of some stocks that I missed out on. I kind of want to play a little bit of Facebook, but I want to wait and see exactly what happens with the whistleblower today. But I actually want to grab more AMC today, believe it or not. I think I need to get more AMC before it's too late. And TBT, I'm actually wanting to add a position to TBT. Yeah, it's 20-year treasury bond. It's probably going to be, I actually want to buy the shares on TBT. But I hope everybody's having a fantastic day and we're ready for another, hopefully not another bloodbath. But you know what? I'm ready for it if it is. What else do we have going on? Oh yeah, that damn Evergrande shit. What was that one bank? Fantasia? Fantasia trying to step up to buy more of Evergrande's debt. But the funny thing is, Fantasia's got a lot of their debt that they can't pay back. And they still have that other company who's trying to buy the debt. Who was it? Hospen. Lululemon. That's the other one everybody's talking about. Lululemon. CI. OPGN and CEI. OPGN. I want to see how XPEP's going to do. Oh, yeah. Fucking Shibu Inu is... What? I can't believe how much I'm up on Shibu Inu. I only have a couple $1,000s in there, but that shit is up significantly. Fami's still on a high. Let's see. But yeah, I actually wanted to add more AMC today. The Doji. $20 minutes for market to open from right now. Or I mean 10 minutes, not 20. The fuck? Oh, the trade deficit came out. Where's the trade deficit? Let's see. Omer. The dollar came up a lot since the last time. Wow. The dollar's pretty strong right now. That's a key thing right there. OMER. What the fuck's everybody talking about OMER for? $13 days to default. That's right. 13 days for default. Shibu. Fucking Shibu. That shit's too funny. Oh, Blink just came up with a deal. New car sharing program. Tapering in effect. California declares state of emergency over oil spill in Orange County. Damn, that oil spill is... That's crazy. Moderna announces European Medical Agency authorities third dose of COVID-19 vaccine for an immunocompromised individual ages 12 years and older. CI, gold. A lot of people are piling into gold and crypto. I mean, crypto's your deflationary asset. Damn, AMC needs to slow down. I want to grab AMC before I want to get AMC in the open. CEI, everybody's still, I mean, CEI, I think it's actually a good idea to double down into CEI. Credit Suisse executives. Who ordered Credit Suisse? Oh yeah, Moderna. A lot of people are offering the third dose. New Zealand like yesterday, huh? Vaccinated employees have restricted flight. Chinese realty firms claim Evergrande owes them $43.5 million in unpaid sales commissions. Damn! Facebook got downgraded. Fucking A. Barry tweeted. CEI isn't moving, right? CEI isn't doing shit. Wait a minute. First James Bond movie had its premiere today. That's a fun fact for anybody out there. First ever James Bond. Yeah. That's what happened today on history. Europe's holding up pretty solid, though. Hong Kong is clapped again. XPEV to the downside. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, the new Japanese president. Apparently, Japan, they don't like it. Market didn't take it too nice over there. They were like, nah. Shiba Inu coin going crazy. Shiba Inu coin going crazy, right? Apple, everybody's still talking about Apple. Whoa, what is this one? Wow, she was still running. Bitcoin's back under 50K. Bitcoin's about to make another run. I'm telling everybody, I think that this October is going to be one of those Octobers where cryptocurrency just runs it the hell up. CEI down on the downside. It's slipping down to $3. Option. They do have options on Chamber Energy if anybody did miss those. If anybody didn't catch that. They added options yesterday. Man, but good morning, everybody. Good morning. It seems like we got a lot going on today. Hi, how you doing? Me? Am I? Yoki? Yokimo? Good morning, how you doing? Oh, Facebook. Let's see, Chamber Energy. All right, XPEV to the downside. Those puts are actually, where are my puts sitting right now? gotta wait for open right now. How we doing though? I'm not gonna kill your name. Yoko me. I do want to grab a little bit more AMC. I think this month is the month to grab AMC and any other stocks that you might have missed out on, especially the tech stocks. This is what I've been waiting for October lows to come in, baby. But we're still not over yet. We still have an Evergrande situation to play out the rest of this month. So this is barely the beginning. You said close. Thank you, close. That's good. How you doing though? Alright, let's see. What do we got? Who's making a pre-market high? We got 1 minute, 50 seconds for the market to open. And that Shiba Inu coin is just taking off. Man, what a hard day to wake up this morning. Let me tell you. Everybody, we're up right now, and we're awake. It was hella dark this morning. Everybody's still asleep in the house, and you could have stayed in bed and been still warm. It's nice and chilly right now. But I still am short on China stocks, XPEV and Alibaba. Morning, Barry Johnson. How you doing, man? That's good. That's good. $45 seconds for open. We have a lot of data coming out in the first 30 minutes. And Medic? Yeah, a lot of people were talking about Medic going on. I think that one's going to be the next one to run up. That one and the other one was Farmy. That Farmy one, 20 seconds. That Farmy one, they actually had some news that came out. This one right here, they actually acquired 2,500 acres of land in China for more growing. 10 seconds. Go to 50 cents. There we go. We're open. At these prices, I mean, you really can't beat it. CEI is coming down, slipping a little bit. I actually want to grab more Chamber Energy. I think Chamber Energy is going to do some pretty crazy stuff here. Where's it at? All right. Yeah, I want to grab Chamber Energy. That's down under $2. That's a good price. And I want to grab AMC. I don't even care where AMC's at right now. I'm telling you, I went to the movies the other day with the wife and kids, man. There was so many people there packed. That place was packed. Went to go watch Venom. And they have a lot of movies coming out. Yeah, come down to AMC. Alright, I got filled on Chamber Energy at 294. Damn, did I grab it on the bottom right there? I think I did. Okay, I need to get some AMC now. Damn it. Ali Dubai. Alright, AMC and Chamber Energy, I think, are the ones that I want to load up on. I might actually grab some medics too, just to feel cute. Everybody else is doing it. I can grab a couple shares of it, I think right now is the time to do it before next year comes up. Next year is going to be pretty phenomenal. Not a recommendation, remember, please. Facebook got a little footing there. Come on, XPEV. Go back down. What are we looking like on the market? Banks are on the high tickers. Okay, so we are green. Family's got 15 on the high. What's got the most turnover? Surprisingly, though, I mean, the Dow Jones is only up like 1/3%. It's really not that much. Medics go to 50 cents this week. Oh, yeah, I need it. AMC. More AMC, baby. I haven't added to AMC in a long time, so this is actually like this is actually a pretty big deal. This is actually a pretty big deal, especially at these prices. Nasdaq did bump a little bit right there. All right, let's go ahead and grab 10 shares. Just gonna grab 10 and fucking see what that does. Market, firm, send. Alright, I grabbed 10 more shares of AMC, and tech is actually gassed up, except for Facebook. Except for Facebook. I don't own any Facebook, never have, never. I don't think I ever. I mean, maybe if they're able to turn all this shit around, I might grab some Facebook. Oh, Tesla. Tesla, buy the dip, though. This is definitely a buy the dip. I mean, the year's almost over. October lows is here. Okay, AMC's coming down a little bit more. Let's grab some more AMC. I don't even want to look at Merck. AMC still coming down more. Fuck. Grab some more. Grab some more. I can grab 10 more. I grabbed a little bit of that Medics one. Just to have a little bit of exposure. 4347. We're still underneath the 100-day moving average on the SPY. Alright, I'll grab 100 of that Medic one. That's like, what, 32 bucks? Yeah. XPEV, you motherfucker, you're going the wrong way. AMC, fuck it. Grab some more. You'll become a billionaire with Shiba. If it could just go up 99 cents. Or if it can go. Oh man, I grabbed. Fuck, I don't even remember where I grabbed Shiba at. Damn it. That shit's funny as hell. Can't believe that shit's up so much with so little money put into it. Baba, what is Baba doing? Alright, Facebook's got some kind of shit going on down here. Yo, hang on, let me see. Amazon. Oh, Amazon got a little bit of gas on it finally. Well, I remember if anybody caught my stream yesterday, I was showing like if you would have bought in on Amazon at the beginning of the year, I mean, you're barely back at where you. We're barely back at the beginning of the year on Amazon. That sucks. It's funny as hell, though, how the value stocks that were up yesterday are all completely down today. Especially with the UWM. The Russell 2000 was up at 55, but it just slipped. But I'm actually like it when everything slips in the morning. What was that? Was that a trade? AMC still slipping. Fuck it. Buy the dip. People are saying apparently Wall Street Bets is planning to pump Shibu coin just because of the cheap price. But I mean, you know how those rumors go already. Amazon slipped. Amazon went up. AMC. I do want to grab more AMC though. I mean, I want to just keep grabbing more. I mean, especially after seeing the movie theaters the other day, dude. That shit was crazy. Oh man, the SPY. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at the motherfucking UVXY just gassed at the 24. It cannot. You son of a bitch. The UVXY is I mean, it's basically the VIX indicator, but it's not the VIX indicator. This is giving you the balance between puts and calls, and it is gassing it right now. Fuck you. And we're waiting on that whistleblower too to speak today. Another dump day. Potentially. Load up on AMC. Oh, there we go. Chamber Energy. There we go. I was buying the shit out of Chamber Energy right now. Cash, energy, and cryptos. Where you want to be. The dollar, crypto, I mean, maybe even gold, maybe some silver. Gotta get your silver going. Gotta get silver, baby. Silver. Slick Rick just read it. I've started from scratch 3 times. I'm fucking Slick Rick. There we go. Chamber Energy is gassing it up a little bit. Damn, I'm already up a little bit on those plays right there. I'm just going to keep grabbing Chamber Energy. I mean, that one dude doubled down on it. So, I mean, I think the Chamber Energy still has a lot of juice left in it. XPEF is going the wrong way. Why are you going up for? You got bad news in China. You guys got clapped over there. What are you doing? All right, so it looked like the market just flip-flopped. Whole market just flip-flopped. We just switched gears. AMC, yeah, here we go. AMC, get a little pop from the bottom right there. Little bump. XPEV, you bastard. I mean, I think it's still pretty good because XPEV did have a pretty nasty day yesterday. I mean, that's going to come back up to this key level of support resistance right here. Right there. I don't think it's going to be able to bust through it. And it's going to probably fail and come back down to the downside on XPEV. I need XPEV under 30 bucks. Once it gets under 30 bucks, my contracts are going to get juicy. They're going to get going. Let's see, where's Coin at? I got to start doubling down on Coin too, actually. Like, see, Coinbase, I've been down on Coinbase since IPO. You know what? I think today I need to grab another coin. I'm going to have to just start switching over. I'm going to have to go through this account right here and move over. Start moving over assets to the appropriate portfolio. I'm going to buy maybe 2 shares of Coin. I haven't bought any coins since IPO day. So, hell, today is a pretty phenomenal day to be buying shit for me. Fuck. For me. Small, good decisions go a long way. You know what? I want to grab 2 more Coinbase. Fuck it. I like it where it's at. I mean, I need to double down on it anyways. I'm down significantly on one. You know what? Let's go for 10. What's that price right there? That's 2,300. I don't want to spend that much. That's way too much. Just do for 5. Let's go ahead and do fucking Just hit it with another 3 Coinbase shares. Quest of Therapeutic. That one's next. I have quite a bit. How we doing, Susan? Let me see where is Quest of Therapeutic. Quest of Therapeutic's doing pretty good today. I mean, it's up. Oh wait, that's not even it. Damn it, where'd it go? That's not even it. That's not even it. It's down a little bit. I still have that big order at $3.98. Oh, it's down, yeah. I still have that big order for 300 something shares. So as soon as it hits there, I'm ready for a Quest. We're still early. I think that's why a lot of people were saying they wanted to wait for November, because the October lows, everybody's kind of scared of it. But like, I think October's probably the best time to start grabbing a Quest of Therapeutic, especially with the way the market's going right now. But yeah, I've been grabbing these 3 right here all morning. All morning I've been grabbing CEI, AMC, and Coinbase. Well, I just started grabbing coin right now. I think this month is the month to grab some stuff that we missed out on, or we need to double down on, or our dollar average in on it. Especially with what's going on. But I still think we're gonna see more blood in the streets here, especially with Evergrande. Nah, I think that METX one, that one's a China-based stock. I think CEI still has a lot of juice left in it, because, I mean, a lot of people are doubling down on it. What's up, Eric? How we doing, bro? Hey, Eric, you'll be happy to know today is actually a pretty phenomenal day. This is actually the first day that I actually started buying more AMC. I actually grabbed, how many more AMC shares did I grab? I grabbed these 3 on the top. I've been just getting these ones. Oh, hang on. I actually got to put a Coinbase fucking order in real quick. I almost forgot about those 3 Coinbases. I mean, that Coinbase, I'm still upside down on that fucking trade. How many did I buy today? I got Coinbase, I got AMC, a little bit of that Medic one just to play around. I think, what did I get? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 shares total on AMC. I just been throwing $10 at it. Or not $10, but hitting it with 10 shares here and there. Man, I'm telling you, I went to the movies with the wife and kids, and AMC was loaded to the brim. So many people are there. Like, man, they got so many good movies coming out. I think AMC is going to do some phenomenal stuff coming into 2022. Either I buy more Quest of Therapeutic or one of these risky penny stocks. Yeah, I would just stick with the Quest of Therapeutic. Stick to the game plan. I mean, unless you got extra money to throw at the risky ones. I mean, if anything, I mean, FAMI, that FAMI one, Farmy, whatever the hell it is, because they actually acquired, they got like 2,400 acres of land in China for, to grow more of their shrooms or whatever the hell they got. So, I mean, they actually had news in China, but, I mean, it's a China stock. So, I mean, I'm a little sketched out about the China stocks. I mean, but I mean, we ain't got none of that, Amelia. We got Facebook over here fucking shit up, so. Oh, crypto's doing phenomenal today, though. I mean, this Shiba coin went wild. Tesla. But we still have a lot of information coming out today, too, though. And in my next, what time is it? In the next 15 minutes, we have some very important information coming up. I've seen Medics a lot. Yeah, I do. I see it a lot, too. That's why I grabbed 100. I only grabbed 100 shares. I mean, it's like $18 or something like that. I mean, I'd rather be exposed than not be exposed. Even if it's a small exposure. Quest Therapeutic, we're getting a little bit of steam over here. I mean, we still ain't got no volume. No news still on us. But we are still above $4 though. BTBD. BTBT. Oh, I remember this one. Yo, whoa. Whoa. Whoa, this is a Bitcoin mining company right here, Bit Digital. Damn, $7. This one might be an interesting right here. I mean, it is a little bit it's a little overextended, but I mean, it's Bitcoin mining. I mean, with Bitcoin at $50,000, it's saying something. Oh, this is the other one. I almost forgot. I want to grab TBT. This is probably the first time actually going after treasuries. I don't play fucking bonds at all. I usually play puts or calls on them, but I like the TBT. That's the other one I want to grab. I need to get a little bit of exposure to the TBT. Come on, where's it at? Active trader. Yeah, I want a little bit of TBT at those prices. I think TBT is gonna blow up. It's been on a little downward trend for quite. I mean, it's stuck in this little range right now. It wants to break out of this range. We'll see what happens with this one right here. Yeah, I'm going to grab a little bit today. Tuesdays are the days I usually buy a lot of stuff. I don't know what it is with Tuesdays, but Tuesdays are the days. You use a Monday to confirm shit and then come in the next day. I'm going to grab 10 of these TBT. Confirm. How much is that? Damn, I just used the rest of my cash deposit right there. I got like $250 left on the cash deposit. TB. Going for the fucking this one right here. More AMC. BTBT. I'm gonna grab this fucking Bitcoin shit. I'd rather use most of my cash before the end of the year comes up, so that way it's already all invested. And the next year I'll move it around. There we go. We got some TBT. I mean some BT. BTBT. This is Bit Digital. That'll go good with a marathon. Sure, there's a lot on the table for this week. We have jobs report, and then that's going to be a big catalyst. End of this week, and then not to mention, what else is coming up? Oh, well, Evergrande. Chris, I got 6,000 shares of Fermi, and here we go. Nice. I only got 100 shares of the other one. But that Fami one, however the hell you say it, I got a little bit of it. I got 2,100 shares altogether. 2,100 shares at an average price of 29 cents. That's what I'm still sitting on. I haven't bought any more since, what, a week ago? Last week, I think, is when I bought them. But I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. It's 6:51. It was a pretty nasty day, but don't let your guard down. We still have a lot more shit that's going to be coming up in the next few days, in the next few weeks, matter of fact. The jobs report. That's going to be the big kicker right there. There's too much shit coming out this week. Oh, Tesla. My guy, back up to 800. Let's go, Tesla. Yeah, the jobs report is very key. I mean, even Fed Powell was talking about it. AMC's taking off the highs for the day. There it goes, 30. Oh, yeah, let's gas it, AMC. Yeah, I grabbed more AMC today too, Chris. So you're just coming in. I was grabbing AMC, Medic, Coinbase, TBT, BTBT, and that was it. Those are what I'm buying today. I actually went after some bonds, TBT. I went after the 20-year treasury. The ultra short. Oh, there we go. This little Bitcoin mining one's getting a little bit of steam under it too. It's making a run. Miami's kind of chilled out. Coinbase is just, I need to get away from Coinbase. Coinbase is bullshit. Coinbase hasn't put nothing out since I've been a part of Coinbase. Hell. Even the app robs me, damn it. That's some bullshit on Coinbase. I think Coinbase will blow up though eventually once it does get up there. They have a lot of, they have a lot going for themselves. Fuck, they charge out the ass on the fees. Oh, and remember, China's closed. China doesn't open until Thursday. So once they open, we'll see what's going on over there. So it's actually, we actually have a lot of stuff nerfed right now with China being closed. It's funny how their timing's right on though, man. They're always like right on with their timing, like, oh well, this is coming up for this time. So that means they got, after this week's over, I think China only has like a week, 2 weeks left to pay back their debt, Evergrande. Fantasia wants to buy Evergrande's debt, and then that other one, fucking Hospen or whatever, but both those little assholes can't pay back their own debt. They owe a lot. I think Fantasia didn't pay their 20-year treasury. Nope. I think they missed it. So there's a lot of shit going on in China over there. Those fools are just buying debt left and right. There we go, BTB. That Bit Digital's gassing it. It's about to hit. Damn. It's about to hit. Look at this motherfucker. It's taking off. 950. All right, see, we got the Russell 2000 is getting a little bit of steam back up on it. And the UVXY kind of did calm down, but it's still at a key level on the UVXY. It needs to come down to 20 bucks. I don't feel too comfortable until the UVXY is down at 20. Wait a minute. Barry Johnson, how are we all doing today? We're doing great. Barry, yourself, man, how you been? Where you been? Amazon. Facebook's trying to get a little bit. Facebook got clobbered yesterday, dude. Anybody wasn't here yesterday. I missed a lot. When is that lady supposed to come out too? That whistleblower for Facebook. She's supposed to speak today. I want to hear that. What's the play? LOL. Okay, you. Chamber Energy. I've been buying that. AMC coin this Bit Digital one. I just came across that one right now. FAMI, Quest Therapeutic. Take your pick. TBT. I know bonds aren't too sexy. They don't really do a lot, but hey, they do have opportunities to move sometimes. Oh, Chamber Energy's coming down another bit. Tim Energy slipping a little bit. Mary say he hates CEI. You know what? A lot of people hate CEI. And that's why I think it's gonna be able to gas it up, because a lot of negativity towards it. U.S. banks cryptocurrencies. What is live? No way. U.S. banks cryptocurrency custody services now live. Wow. SPY double tap. Oh, Viacom's the other one. I think Viacom might get a buyout deal potentially. Yo, whoa. Why is TLT getting clobbered? Gee, look at the Russell just the Russell 2000. Where's the Facebook whistleblower at? Let me see if I can find this person at. I want to hear what that lady says, though. I'm interested in hearing it, man. They said she got fucking coverage begins at 10 a.m. Where's that at? Yeah, that 60-minute thing was wild. If anybody caught it, woo, man. Where the hell is she at? Oh yeah, here it is. This is gonna be it.
People are learning these days, I think, is the kind of bedrock law that allows internet companies, without getting sued.
Yeah, they're getting ready right now to talk about it. But yeah, this is going to be very interesting right here, what she says, man. It says, Facebook whistleblower testifies at Senate hearing on kids' safety online.
Some people have proposed. Joe Biden at one point suggested he would be interested in that during the campaign, although he hasn't followed up on it as president. Just getting rid of it would probably cause a humongous mess and all kinds of lawsuits, and would mostly be sort of an employment act for lawyers. There are ideas for how to reform Section 230 around the edges. There has been at least one substantive Section 230 reform already passed.
Yeah, I mean, you got to ask yourself, like, I mean, it says a lot, because, like, if Facebook would do this to kids that are the most vulnerable, you know, age group out there, what the hell do you think they're going to do to us? I mean, hello? Yeah, Facebook shit, this is going to be wild. We'll see what it does to the market, though. We'll see what it does to the market.
I think antitrust with respect to Facebook is really interesting. Going on with the FTC.
AMC's holding up pretty well on AMC. I'm actually pretty happy with grabbing more AMC shares today. I mean, even at $37, I mean, my averages significantly went up now, though. I gotta figure that out. I gotta get these AMC shares to my other long-term portfolio where AMC sits, and I'm gonna see what the average is. I gotta move AMC. I gotta move Coinbase. I gotta move fucking, who else do I gotta move over there? I gotta move over my Tesla calls. I might move over TBT over. Oh my lord, look at the TBT's gas in it, dude. That was a good play with TBT. I grabbed TBT right around here.
As did Senator Wicker, the top Republican on that broader Commerce Committee. So we do see
TBT, baby. Treasuries, man. Woo, who would ever thought? I used to, man, who would have thought I would be buying treasuries, man, at such a young age. I'm at such a young age.
That's right, and just to tack on to your point there, that shows you how significant this is, that the shares...
No, but I mean, The first year of my trading was kind of, I really was like a little bit off the wall a little bit. The next year, I was kind of a little bit trying to, still trying to chase it down. The following year, I kind of slowed down a little bit. And then every year after the third year, I can kind of slow down a little bit more. I ain't trying to do all those crazy ass plays and shit, you know what I mean? Once you start building up your money, it ain't easy to build your money up so high, but it's easy to lose it though real quick. You can lose all your money immediately. Best Buy, Co. Inc. launches its paid membership program. Best Buy. Nice. Roblo is on the low.
Member of Congress. I think he dates back to the 70s. And he is actually one of the co-authors of big legislation when it deals with telecommunications. He was co-author of the Cable Act and different telecommunications things that changed the way we deal with all sorts of new medias back in the 90s. So he's
who? Carl's Jr. has significant stake in Southwest Gas. Wait, that's not Carl's Jr. That's Carl who? Somebody Carl. TLT goes down, rates go up, and TBT is inverse. So yeah, when TLT goes down, TBT is gonna go up. That's why I'm playing TBT, because I am anticipating TLT to go down. I mean, TBT or TLT is overjuiced. TBT is, on the downside. It's an underdog, basically, in my book. Oh, hey, I know that bitch. I know that bitch.
That you do see a little bit of unity on.
James, let's squeeze you in here. What will you be watching for today?
How much new information we learn. The series of stories that have been written are very damning. We saw these SEC whistleblower complaints yesterday, and here is a chance for all these 12 senators to ask questions. And I do think we really learn some new revelations.
AT&T, they pay nice dividend. Oh, wait a minute. Where's UMC at? Where's my baby at? Yo, Shiba coin is gone, dude. Look at it making another all-day high. I mean, what is that? 0.00. 4 zeros and 117. 1771. Dude, I think I got Shiba coin back here at like.
But she also shared it with Congress and with the
point. Fuck, I don't even remember. Let me see. I gotta bring that up real quick.
Federal whistleblower protected status. She in her statement says, as long
I cannot believe it's up that much. That's crazy.
It is accountable. And she says that she is taking this step.
1825. That's
to herself, frankly. And she says it's because she does.
How much did I buy this shit for?
Solutions here that there is time to act. She's also maintaining.
Oh, that's why I'm buying $2 of Shibu Inu every week. Yes, I am buying $2 of Shibu Inu every week. It has been said. I forgot. I must have been drunk that day I did that one. Pauly is tradable on Coinbase now. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, here we go.
And the ranking member who is here.
Let me know if that's too loud, if it's echoing or whatever.
Chairwoman.
DOGECOin, let's go, baby.
Well, I'm sure
back up to 25 cents.
Most important, I'd like to thank our witness, Frances Haugen, for being here, and the two counsel who are representing her today. And I want to give you my heartfelt gratitude for your courage.
This is former product manager says Facebook is dangerous. Woo! Man.
Powerful, implacable corporate giants in the history of the world. Any exaggeration. You have a compelling, credible voice, which we've heard already. But you are not here.
Oh, man, my portfolio just gassed it right now with Shibu and Dogecoin.
And you speak volumes, as they do, about how Facebook has put profits ahead of people.
Oh, hang on, I gotta make another play. I gotta make another play. I got.
Provided.
Wait a minute, I'm buying Stellar.
Is powerful proof that Facebook knew its products.
Damn, I got Stellar on a reoccurring fucking buy shit too. XLM.
Using
I'm just gonna leave it.
Algorithms was an IDEX narrative. There is a question, which I hope
Miss
you will
Hogan.
discuss, as to whether there is such a thing
Miss
as
Hogan,
a
this is
safe
the one.
harbor.
Yo, bro, Shiba Coin plus 75%. Let's go,
Facebook
baby,
sought
to the
teams
moon.
creating
Oh,
secret
the bull runs
accounts
back. In the, well, I
that
mean,
are
hey, we got
often
inflation
hidden
coming
from
in.
their parents.
Inflation,
as
man, you want to
unique
be in cryptocurrency.
value
Fuck the bullshit.
proposition.
Where's
In
ETC
their
at?
words, a unique value proposition.
ETC,
A way to
what
drive
are you
up numbers
doing?
for advertisers.
ETC is going to be a
and
lagger,
shareholders at the
right?
expense of safety.
Okay, where's ADA at?
And it doubled down on targeting children.
ADA is
pushing
kind of a
products
lagger too
on
right now.
Preteens,
So it looks like
not just teens, but preteens, that it knows are harmful to
I
our
already
kids'
seen it.
mental health and
where's Ethereum at?
well-being. Instead of telling parents, Facebook concealed the facts. It sought to stonewall and block this information from becoming public, including to this committee when Senator Blackburn and I specifically asked
Oh shit.
the company.
Fuck it.
And still,
Yeah,
even
Chamber
now,
Energy. I'll just buy one,
as
motherfucker.
of just last Thursday, when a Facebook witness came before this
What you
committee,
think- what do you think
it
this
has
is?
refused
Fuck you think this is?
disclosure or even to tell us when it might decide whether to disclose.
I'll buy more
additional
Chamber
documents.
Energy at that price.
And
Know what I
they've
mean?
continued their tactics even after they
grab
knew
another 10.
the destruction it caused. It isn't just that they made money.
Keep throwing tens
from
at it. Hit
these
it with the 10
practices,
center.
But they continued to profit from them. Their profit was more important
Where's
than the
TBT?
pain that they caused.
You know what? Let's leave that up there. Let's get rid of
Last Thursday,
Facebook.
the
I don't want to see
message
Facebook no
from
more.
Ms.
I don't fuck with
Antigone
TBT.
Davis,
There we go.
Facebook's
TBT.
global head of safety, was simple.
Look, I mean, that's why people don't play bonds, because they really don't
This
do shit. But
research is
today,
not a
the
bombshell.
bonds are going to do something today. I have a feeling that
And
TBT
she
shit's
repeated
going to make a
tomorrow.
run.
Not a bombshell.
I think TLT is about to get a rude
research
awakening. I
is
think that motherfucker's about to get hit over the head
Definition
hard.
of a bombshell.
Not a recommendation.
Facebook and big tech are facing a big.
If anybody did
battle.
miss it, Chamber Energy does have
Moment
options.
of reckoning. The parallel is striking. I sued Big Tobacco as Connecticut's Attorney General. I helped to lead the states in
Everyone
that
forgot
legal action,
about,
and I remember very, very well the moment in the course of our litigation when we learned of those files that showed not only that Big Tobacco knew that its product caused cancer,
It's
but
Trump
that
back on
they
Facebook
had
now.
done research, they concealed the files,
Trump.
and
What the fuck?
now we knew, and the world knew. And big tech now faces that Big Tobacco jaw-dropping moment of truth. It is documented proof that Facebook knows its products can be addictive and toxic to children. And it's not just that they made money, again, it's that they valued their profit more.
Yo,
than the
SPY's
pain
on the
that they
high
caused
right now.
to children
Coinbase
and
is
their
making a
families.
run for it.
The damage to self-interest.
Here we
and
go, here we
self-worth
go. Getting a little bit of
inflicted by
steam over here.
Facebook
Naked
today
Brands.
will
Naked Brands is
haunt
on.
a
They got. I mean,
generation.
we really don't got much volume this morning right now. What time is it?
Feelings of
It's already
inadequacy and
7:10.
insecurity, rejection, and self-hatred will impact this generation.
CI down on the
for
bottom
years to
side.
come. Our children are the ones who are victims.
It's funny to see
Teams
that with all
today,
these stocks that we
looking
had
at
doing really,
themselves
really
in the
well
mirror,
yesterday, and today they're just sucking ass.
feel doubt.
I mean,
and
other than AMC,
insecurity.
AMC's still doing good. You know,
Mark Zuckerberg
I think it's just
ought to
because
be
I
looking
bought
at
more in
himself
AMC
the mirror.
today, and they were like,
today.
"Yeah, no, I'm just playing."
And yet, rather than taking responsibility and showing leadership, Mr. Zuckerberg is going sailing.
Zuckerberg is going
His
sailing.
new modus
What?
operandi, no apologies, no admission, no action, nothing to see here.
Oh man, I deleted it.
Mark
Wait a minute,
Zuckerberg,
what
you need to come
happened?
before this committee. You need to
What
explain
happened?
to
Damn it!
Francis Haugen, to us, to the world,
Oh my God, I'm having some
to
technical difficulties over here.
parents of America, what you were doing.
I'm having
and
some
why you
technical
did it.
difficulties over here. This is bullshit.
Instagram's business model is
Ariana, how are we doing?
More eyeballs, more dollars. Everything Facebook
Glad I
does
saw CEI.
is to add more
There we
users
go.
and keep them
I
on
bought, yeah, Susan
their
bought
apps
into
for longer.
METX.
in order to hook us.
Yeah, I'm
Instagram uses our
fucking not
private
smart enough to
information
sell out or anything. I'm actually
to
doubling down on
precisely
CEI.
target us with content and recommendations,
I'm
assessing
actually
that
doubling down on it.
what
Fuck.
will provoke a reaction.
But I am buying AMC though on
Will keep
Coinbase.
us
MBTB. T and the
Far too often,
TBT.
these
That's a lot of the
recommendations
BTBT and the
encourage our most
TBT.
destructive
Yeah,
and
I like these two.
behavior.
There's
As
a
we
little bit of a
showed on
tongue twister
Thursday,
there.
We created a
But
fake
yeah, I'm playing the
account.
TBT
My
because I'm
office and I
anticipating
did as a
the
team
TLT to
interested
get
in
clapped.
extreme dieting and eating
Coinbase, my
disorders.
guy. He's taking off.
Instagram latched
METX going to
onto
the
that
moon. Oh yeah, and I grabbed the 100
teenager's
shares of that one.
initial
Worth like
insecurities
18
that then
bucks, but we'll see how that
push
one
more
goes.
content and recommendations.
Well, hell, I got $18 worth of
Glorifying
Shiba
eating
coin like a
disorders.
year ago, and that motherfucker's worth like
That's
$180 now.
how
So, you know,
Instagram's
$18 goes
algorithms
somewhere.
and push teens into darker and darker places. Facebook's own research
I think somebody gave it to me, though.
called it
I started
Instagram's,
fucking around with Shiba
quote,
coin. I got it set up to where it
perfect
automatically buys like
storm.
$5 a week. Just
exacerbating
because. Why
downward
not?
spirals. Facebook, as you have put it, Ms. Haugen, so powerfully maximizes
But what a day
profits
today.
and ignores pain. Facebook's failure to acknowledge and to
Actually,
act
where's the
makes
quest
it
therapeutic? I don't
morally
even have
bad.
it up.
Again and again, Facebook rejected reforms recommended by its own researchers. Last week, Ms. Davis said, quote, "We're looking at," end quote,
Right there at
"no
$4,
specific
huh?
plans,
Or it went down
no
to 401.
commitments, only vague platitudes." These documents that you have revealed
Let's see the
provided
documents.
this
I want to
country
see
with
the
a blueprint for
documents.
reform. It provided specific
They're going after
recommendations.
Facebook. That's what I'm
It
listening
could
to
have
here. This is the
made
whistleblowers
Facebook
testifying, okay?
and Instagram safer. The
Very
company
key. If anybody, you know,
repeatedly
didn't miss it
ignored
yesterday, but
those
yeah, that's why your
recommendations
Facebook,
from
your
its
Twitter, or not your
own
Twitter, but your
researchers
Instagram and everything else was
that would
down.
have made
Twitter was still up though.
Facebook and
That reminds me
Instagram
though, if you're not
safer.
following me yet on Twitter, you
Facebook
should at
researchers
Isaac
have
Trade.
suggested
And I guess Instagram if it's back up, right?
changing
Oh, I
the
guess if it's back up.
to stop promoting accounts known to encourage dangerous bias.
Medics I love and use,
Comparison.
so I agree.
Instead of making meaningful changes, Facebook simply pays lip service.
That's good to know.
And if they won't act, and if big tech won't act, Congress has to intervene. Privacy protection is long overdue.
It's always good to know that
Senator
it's something
Markey
that
and I
somebody
introduced
uses.
the Kids Act, which would ban addictive tactics that Facebook uses to
Ah,
exploit
shit,
children.
digital opium.
Parents deserve
Damn
better
it.
tools.
That's next,
protect
digital
their
opium. Just like what
I'm also a
fucking
firm
Xi Jinping
supporter
did
of
over there.
reforming Section
Isn't it
230.
be like it's digital
We should
opium?
consider narrowing this sweeping immunity when platforms' algorithms amplify illegal conduct. You've commented on this in your testimony.
So she was trying to blame the
Maybe you should
algorithm,
expand on it.
but
We have also heard compelling recommendations
I don't know.
requiring
This is-
disclosures of
yeah,
research.
fuck that algorithm. They be
independent
showing me shit.
reviews of
It's
these
like they always trying to sell me
platforms'
something. I always know it.
To pursue these ideas. The
This
Securities
is
and
alert,
Exchange
medics
Commission
holding.
should
What do they got? Any
investigate
news out there on medics yet?
your contentions and claims.
See if I can find anything real
Ms.
quick. Give me
Haugen.
about 2
And
minutes.
so
Oh, wait, I
should
think I
the
found something right
Federal
now.
Trade
What is that?
Commission.
is
Facebook
this?
appears to have
this?
misled the public and investors,
Uh,
and if that's correct, it ought to face real penalties as a result of that misleading and deceptive misrepresentation.
Yeah, this is a very interesting subject right here. I just grabbed some
I
for
wanna
this hype.
thank all my colleagues who are
Right?
here
That's
today
why I was like, I'll
because
grab a little bit. Hell, I might
what
just
we
grab a little
have
bit more
is
right
a
now. Fuck it, just because.
bipartisan congressional
You know what I
roadmap
mean?
for reform
Where's it at? I mean,
that
hell,
will safeguard and
I'm over
protect
here
children
buying
from big tech.
TBT and
That will be a
BBTB.
focus of our subcommittee
Or is it
moving
mix?
forward, and it will
ME?
continue to
Yikes.
be bipartisan. And finally, I'll
Especially
just
at the
end
prices.
on
I mean, you
this
really can't
note.
go wrong at the price.
In the past weeks and days, parents have contacted
I got like
me
300. What is that? Like
with their stories, heartbreaking
what's that worth?
and spine
That's
chilling
less than
stories
$100 right there. So all right, I
about
got like
children pushed into
$120
eating
now.
disorders, bullying online, self-injury of the most disturbing kind, and sometimes even taking their lives because of social
October's here, ladies and gentlemen. This is what I've been
I'm
waiting for,
supporting
man.
Facebook
I've been waiting to
account
hear that noise in the
because of
background. You hear
your
that little noise? That's the noise you want.
and we
I've
need
been
to
waiting to
hold
come in here and buy some shit, man.
Facebook
For October
and all
lows,
big
baby.
tech as well.
It's not over yet, though. I'm still waiting for a little bit more to come in here. We're just barely in the beginning of it. I expect October to accelerate a little bit more to the downside and maybe present some opportunities to buy some stocks that I missed out on.
Of Sandy Hook promise, as long as there's no objection. And I will now turn to the ranking member, Senator Blackburn.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you for entering that letter in the record.
I want to hear what she says. Chris, what you got there? 0.42 to 80 is my goal. That's a good goal right there. That's a nice little exit plan right there. I like that.
Room and to be here for the hearing today, Ms. Haugen, we thank you for your appearance before us today and for giving the opportunity not only for Congress but for the American people to hear from you in this setting, and we appreciate that. Mr. Chairman, I think also
if we can run to 45 cents, I'll be very happy. Hell yeah, I agree. I agree with you, Eric. That'll be fucking hella nice indeed. Which it should be. I mean, I hear from a lot of people that they use it.
We can get more insights into what Facebook is actually doing as they invade the privacy not only of adults but of children. And look at the ways
they
that
invade the privacies of everybody, man. They got evidence. I want to see the evidence. I want to see the receipts.
And
Chamber Energy's getting clapped. All right, let's just be quite frank about it. Energy is getting clapped right now.
Privacy and
Ariana says she's happy she sold it.
Privacy standard.
I'm fucking still buying more of it like a dumbass. There we go, Chamber Energy. Come down to $291. I'll buy some more, goddammit. I'll wait for goddamn Equestrian Therapeutic to hit $3 and fucking 98 cents, but I don't think it's gonna happen. There goes Chamber Energy a little bit more. Fuck, I'm already committed.
Section 230 reforms. And of course, Senator Klobuchar.
Oh, and that reminds me, guess what they got? We got options over here now for Chamber Energy.
When we were in the house.
Now I'm really fucking gonna start getting. Now I really got some ideas going on in my head.
To have a federal privacy.
Yeah, we got options on Chamber Energy now. Again, I mean, I remember the last time we had options. They didn't end too well for me, but I'm ready to try it again. Let's go.
For Facebook. And it was surprising to us.
Yeah, last time I got clapped playing options with fucking Chamber Energy. But I'm feeling a little bit. I'm feeling better this time, though. I think I know what I'm doing. I think I know what I'm doing this time. We'll see.
And to minimize the knowledge that Facebook had. At one point, I even reminded her the research was not third-party research. The research
Yo, these are cheap as fuck. Let's go for some leaps, huh?
So they knew what they were doing.
2022 leaps next year. That's the best they got. That's 191 days.
They are guilty. They know this.
Let's see what we got here. Is that all the strike prices? Yes, that is all the strike prices.
Last week, in advance of our hearing, Facebook released 2 studies and said that the Wall Street Journal was all wrong.
Oh, gee. Yeah, especially when on a red day.
If the Wall Street Journal
say less.
Did not know how to read these documents and how to work through this research.
191. I don't want any. Is that calls? Okay.
That you've presented and the other studies that Facebook did not publicly share.
Yo, they're buying the shit out of these motherfuckers already. God damn. Look what they got. Oh my God, on the 10 days one, they really got some open interest on the $6. Y'all motherfuckers got some high hopes. Huh? Jesus Christ. You see that shit? A lot of people are aiming for the $4 one though. $4 one on Chamber Energy one is got a lot of interest on it.
What you and I've been learning over the past 3 years about big tech and Facebook. And here you go, 66% of teen girls on Instagram.
You know what? So I'll go for this one right here then.
Boys experience negative social comparisons. This is
what is that? 155, 170,
52% of teen girls
160,
who experience negative social
175 is this
comparison
one right
on
here.
Instagram said it was caused by images
By
related
single.
to beauty. Social comparison is
butterflies,
worse on
straggles,
Instagram
straddles,
because it is
covered
perceived
stocks,
as
no.
real life.
I mean, I could
But
do some
based
fucking
on
coverage, so let's just do
celebrity
singles. I ain't
standards,
trying to do all that right
social
now.
comparison mimics the grief cycle and includes a downward emotional spiral.
I'll grab 3 of
encompassing
those
a
ones
range of
just to see
emotions
what
from
happens.
jealousy
I mean,
to self-blame,
not a recommendation.
body
Oh, I didn't even tell you what strike price I was getting, so that's
Facebook
good.
addiction, which Facebook calls convenient.
Yeah, that's $510 for some Chamber Energy calls. What do you mean? I should get filled on that one. Oh no, I didn't get filled on it. Why not?
Facebook is not interested
Wait,
in making
what?
significant changes to
Wait,
improve
what?
kid
Why the
safety on
fuck
their
didn't I just get filled
platforms.
right now? Hang on.
At least not when that would result in losing eyeballs on posts or decreasing their ad revenues. In
I didn't
fact,
get filled right now. That was weird.
Facebook is running scared, as they know that in
Oh,
the
that's right, because it
coming
was a market
years,
order,
young
duh.
adults
All right, I
are
gotta
less
come in here and play with the
active
price
and
real
less
quick. Where we at?
engaged on
175. I'll pay
Facebook,
180 for
and
him.
that they are running out of
180
teens to
firm,
add to
send.
Instagram. So teens are looking at other platforms like TikTok and Facebook.
Oh yeah, there we go. We got filled, baby. We got filled. We got some chamber energy calls. What? Say less. Not a recommendation. Please don't go over there and go fucking gamble on this shit. Basically, it's a gamble, all right? Thoughts on SESN? Not since
Allowing users to create
0.77, right?
accounts that Facebook does not delete, and encouraging teens to create second accounts they can hide
Since
from
the
their
bio
parents.
one.
They are also studying younger and younger children
Oh,
so that
that
they
looks-
can market to them.
I mean, it's a good
And
bottom
while
buy.
Ms. Davis says that kids
From
below
$6.
13
What
are
happened?
out on Facebook or
What
Instagram.
happened?
We know that they are, because she told us that they recently had deleted 600,000 accounts. from
Damn, they
children
deleted a lot of
under age
accounts, huh?
13.
What
So
happened
how
on
do you
8/12? What
get
was
that
that all
many
about?
underage
I gotta look. Let me
accounts
see. What was that about?
if you aren't turning a blind eye to them in the first place? And then in order to try to clean it up, you go to delete it, and then you say, oh, by the way, we just, in the last month, deleted
Right.
600,000 underage
Oh, man.
accounts. And speaking of turning a blind eye, Facebook turned a blind eye
Ah,
to
excuse me, man. This is
disparity.
good shit right here, bro.
News broke yesterday that the
Let's see.
private
What do they have
company
on that bio one?
$1.5
I grabbed the other one
billion
because I know the other one got
$1.5
clipped too,
billion
but they're not doing too
Facebook
bad.
users is
Or do I
being
have this one? Hang on, let me see. Do I got calls on this one? I think I might have grabbed calls on that day.
That's its biggest data breach to date.
No, I got
Examples like this
SNDL.
underscore
Yeah,
how
no, that's a
strong
completely
concerns
different
about
wrong one.
Facebook
I'm way off.
collecting the data of kids and teens and what they are doing with it. Facebook also turns a blind eye toward blatant.
Oh wow, look at that's cute.
exploitation,
Robinhood chains. They added some extra shit over here on their app. That looks so adorable
the
now.
worst
On the
possible
fucking
things
stats and all that.
one
Aw.
can imagine.
So
Tech companies have
cute.
gotten away with
Let's
abusing
see what happened
consumers
was this.
for too long. It is
Sensen.
clear that Facebook prioritizes
What do they got going
profit
on?
over the well-being
They got some kind of
of
deadline?
children and all users. So as
Oh,
a
okay. They're still talking about that
and
damn lawsuit
another,
with PayPal,
this is
GR,
an issue
and
that
RC.
is of
That bullshit needs to cover up.
particular
Needs to clear up first.
So we thank you for being here today, Ms. Haugen, and
I mean, once that clears up, then it won't be too bad. I mean, it might be a good bottom play. I gotta do a little bit more picking around and see what I can find on them.
Their privacy and how they show a lack of respect for the individuals that are on their network. We look forward to the testimony.
They're
Thank
just
you,
reminding
Mr.
shareholders of the stupid class action lawsuit. Always a lot of class lawsuit.
I don't know whether the ranking member would like to make.
If you don't mind, thank you, Chairman Blumenthal, and I will just take a moment or two, and I do appreciate being able to speak as ranking member of the full committee. This Ms. Haugen, this is a subcommittee hearing. You see some vacant seats. There's pretty good attendance for a subcommittee. There are also a lot of things
AMC.
going on, so people will get going. But I'm willing to predict that this will have almost 100% attendance by members of the subcommittee.
AMC,
because of the
baby. I
importance
mean,
of
we
the
might have
subcommittee.
something
So
here with
thanks
this
for coming
one.
forward to share concerns about Facebook.
But remember, AMC, when I first got into AMC, it was considered a reopening play. And like, I think the reopening play is back in full play. That's why I'm like, AMC or nothing right now. A lot of AMC right now. But yeah, since Sonic, I mean, it's been on this nasty downward trend for a minute.
And I think you're going to see a lot.
Let's get a lot of AMC, I think. If you don't got any.
About this today and in future hearings. They show how urgent it is for Congress to act against powerful tech companies on behalf of children and the broader public. and I say powerful tech companies, they are possessive of immense power. Their product is addictive, and people
Doesn't look like it hit the bottom yet, buddy. Not yet, Chris. Looks like we got a little bit more way to go.
An opinion maker just down the hall.
I would like to see a double bounce on Sam before we jump into it. Especially with it being the beginning of October, most likely towards November, would probably maybe towards the end of this month will be a good time to jump into SEN,
Part of the process
to SESN, to
demystifying
Sensen Bio.
big tech. The children of America.
But I mean, to start building a position right now, it's not too bad of an idea to throw a little bit at it.
It's often destructive and harmful, and there is a cynical knowledge.
Oh man, look at Shibu still running it, dude. Look at it, it's all day highs over here.
True.
It's at 1955.
I hope you will have a chance.
Still sub pennies. It's still got a long way to go to make it to the pennies, to make it out of the sub penny levels.
And perhaps compare it to other social media companies. I also look forward to hearing your thoughts on how this committee and how this Congress can ensure greater accountability and transparency.
Oh man,
especially
Roblox is getting clapped.
So thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you, Ms. Hogan, for being here today.
Thanks, Senator Wicker.
Yes, yeah, look at Chamber Energy just keeps coming down hard.
He is the lead product manager on Facebook.
Chamber Energy's making another day, and look at it just keeps coming down.
Degree in electrical and computer engineering from Olin College and an MBA from Harvard.
Let's see, what is this?
He made the courageous
Tesla.
and many others
Where's
around
Tesla
the world
at,
to
actually?
lead
I don't got
Facebook
Tesla left, do I?
And reveal the terrible truths about the company.
No, man, we got a lot of stuff moving it right now.
And I think
The high ticker is just gone.
agreement here in expressing our gratitude and our
Man.
admiration for your bravery in coming forward. Thank you, Ms. Haugen. Please proceed.
Not Tesla, though. Tesla doing... Look at that. We're just taking off. Yo.
Good afternoon.
What?
Leventhal, Ranking Member Blackburn, and members of the subcommittee.
What?
Thank you for the opportunity to appear before you. My name is Frances Haugen. I used to work at Facebook. I joined Facebook.
Yo, man. You guys can't see the screen, but I mean, oil's at $80. You know that, right? The last time it was at $80 was in 2014. What?
The company's leadership knows how to make Facebook and Instagram
What?
safer, but won't make the necessary changes
Huh?
because they have put their
That's
astronomical
crazy.
profits before people.
That was back when that one fool was in the house. What was his name?
They won't solve this crisis
Obama.
without your help.
Oh, here's the whistle blower there.
Facebook get taken off the internet. I don't know why I went down, but I know that for more than 5 hours, Facebook wasn't used
This is the lady.
to deepen divides, destabilize democracies, and make young girls and women feel bad about their bodies. It also means that millions of small businesses weren't able to reach potential customers.
This is the lady.
Countless photos of new babies weren't joyously celebrated by family and friends around the world. I believe in the potential of Facebook. We can have social media we enjoy that connects us without tearing apart our democracy, putting our children in danger, and sowing ethnic violence around the world. We can do better. I have worked as a product manager at large tech companies since 2006.
Barry Johnson, that
including
her?
Google,
Yeah, that her.
Pinterest, Yelp,
That's
and
her.
Facebook.
I think the market, let's see what
My
the
job
market's
is
gonna like
largely
this or
focused
not.
on algorithmic products like Google Plus Search.
Yeah, see,
and
she was the
recommendation
algorithm
systems like the
person.
one that powers the Facebook newsfeed. Having worked on 4 different
Oh, so you're the
types
one
of social
responsible
networks,
for all the bullshit
I
I've been getting on
understand how
Facebook all the
complex and
time.
nuanced these problems are.
Yo, the market's gassing it. We up like
Choices
a
being made
1
inside
1/4.
Facebook are disastrous for our children, for our public
Oh man,
safety,
Chamber Energy's at a
for
key
our
level
privacy, and for our
265.
democracy. And that is why we must demand Facebook
265 is a
changes.
key level for Chamber Energy.
During my time at Facebook, first working as the lead product manager for civic misinformation, and later on counter-espionage, I saw Facebook
Counter-espionage, damn.
its own profits and our safety. Facebook consistently
Counter-espionage, no, she didn't.
its own profits.
He just
The
came up and
results
said,
were more
fucking hit him with the
division,
espionage.
More harm, more lies, more threats, and more combat. In some cases, this dangerous online talk has led to actual violence.
We're way away from
that
the
harms
DWAP on that
and
one.
kills people. This is not simply a matter of certain social media users being angry or unstable, or about one side being radicalized against the other. It is about Facebook choosing to grow at all costs, becoming an almost $1 trillion company by buying its profits with our safety. During my time at Facebook, I came to realize a devastating truth.
Yo, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Almost no one outside of Facebook
What am I
knows
getting?
what happens
I'm getting a lot of
inside
notifications
Facebook.
over here right now. Whoa.
The company intentionally hides vital information from the public, from the U.S. government, and from governments.
Oh,
around the
that's
world.
cue. Robin Hood's
Documents
introducing
I have provided
24/7
Congress
phone support.
Prove that Facebook has repeatedly misled
I'm
the
gonna call
public
him. I'm gonna call him and
about
see
what
what we
its
can
own
do.
research reveals about the safety of children, the efficacy of its artificial intelligence systems, and its role in spreading divisive and extreme messages. I came forward because I believe that every human being deserves the dignity of the truth. The severity of this crisis demands that we break out of our previous regulatory
Oh,
frames.
she's making Chamber Energy
Facebook
crash.
wants to
She's
trick you
making
into
Chamber
thinking
Energy crash.
that privacy protections or changes to Section 230 alone will be sufficient.
Monitor.
While important, these will not get to the core of the issue.
Let's go back to
Which is
trade.
that no one
Let's go
truly
back to
understands
active
the
trader.
destructive
Fuck it,
choices
grab
made by
some more
Facebook,
shit.
except Facebook. We can afford nothing less than full
shit.
transparency. As long as Facebook is operating in the shadows, hiding its research from public scrutiny,
No.
it
Delete
is
that
unaccountable.
one. Let's do this one.
Until the
Send.
incentives change, Facebook will not change. Left alone, Facebook will continue to make choices
There we
that
go.
go
I
against
grabbed
the common
more.
good, our common good. When
More
we
of that
realized
medic
big
one.
tobacco was hiding the harms it caused,
METX.
the government took action.
Around with that one.
When we figured out cars were safer with seatbelts, the government took action.
It just sucks going to space.
And when our government learned that opioids were taking lives,
Oh, what? Oh my
I'm
lord,
ready to do
Shiba
the same.
coin is about to hit
Today,
20.
Facebook shapes our perception of the world.
It's about
by
to hit
choosing the
20.
information we
It's
see.
gone.
Even those who don't
Come
use
on, it's
Facebook are
gone.
impacted by the majority who do. A company with
Dude,
such frightening
that's
influence over so many
wild.
people,
Whoa,
over
whoa,
their
whoa.
deepest
How's it
thoughts,
up so
feelings, and
much?
behavior needs real oversight. But Facebook's closed design means it has no real oversight.
Alright, I gotta buy some more of this shit over
Only
here.
Facebook knows how it personalizes your feed for you. At other large tech companies like Google, any
Let's get
independent
mine. Let me
researcher
check
can
out this
download
wallet real
from the
quick.
internet
How much do I got? What do I got
company
going on
search
in this
results
wallet?
and write papers about what they find. And they do. But Facebook hides behind walls that keeps researchers and regulators
Come on,
from
baby.
understanding the true
Let's go.
dynamics of their system.
Get the Mac. How much
Facebook
can I
will
do
tell
there?
you privacy means they can't give you data.
Stacking up that cash for
This
so
is
long,
not
it's
true.
burning a hole in most of these accounts
When
now.
tobacco companies claimed that filtered cigarettes
Chamber
were
Energy's
safer for
getting
consumers,
clapped.
scientists could independently invalidate these marketing messages and confirm that, in fact, they posed a greater threat to human health.
Oh man, that's
public
wild.
cannot do the
Shiba
same
coin
with
is just
Facebook. We
gone.
are given no other
Look at it
option
go.
than to take
Mom,
their
look at
marketing
it go.
messages on blind faith. Not only does the company hide most of its own data,
I guess. I mean, the Wall Street bet dudes. I've been hearing a lot about them over there trying to pump it up. Which I mean,
how do you
hell,
impact the health
it's
and safety of our
possible.
children?
I believe it with the
They
little
mislead
fuckers over there. They be doing some
and
shit all the
manipulate
time.
that.
Always up to something on Wall
They
Street
choose
bets.
to mislead
Oh, there we
and
go.
distract.
Dogecoin. Is it gonna make it?
Facebook
Did it
has
make it to
not
25?
been
It did. It's
online
back at
faith.
25 cents on the Dogecoin.
This
Let's go.
inability
Where's
to
Crypto
see
Millionaire? I know he's
systems
doing
and
pretty happy
confirm
now.
that
He's
they
probably
work as
back up in it.
communicated and work as
Oh, that reminds
and
me. Where's my
confirm that they work as
cryptocurrency at?
communicated is like the Department of
Oh man,
Transportation
cryptocurrency's
regulating
gassing
cars
it again.
by only one. Today, no regulator has a menu of solutions for how to fix Facebook because Facebook didn't want them to know enough about what's causing the problems. Otherwise, there wouldn't have been need for a whistleblower.
No, she
How
said
is
there
the
wouldn't have been
public
need for
supposed
me,
to
damn it.
assess if Facebook is resolving conflicts of interest in a way that is aligned with the public good if the public has no visibility into how Facebook operates?
She
This
straight
must
said there
change.
wouldn't have been no need for me to blow a
Facebook
whistle.
wants you to believe that the problems we're talking about are unsolvable.
Yo, that Shiba coin is
They want you to
gone.
believe in false choices. They want you to believe that you must choose between a Facebook full of divisive and extreme content or losing one of the most important values our country was founded
Who
on.
bought in on it?
Free speech.
Fucking, did Omar buy in on it? I think
They must
Omar bought
choose
in on
between
Shiba coin.
public
It came to a
oversight
stop.
of Facebook's
It came to a
choices
stop. It was
and your
fucking
personal privacy. That to be able to share fun photos of your
Damn,
kids
look
with
at
old
fucking
friends
CEI, man.
must also
Whoop,
be
hey.
inundated with
I think it's
angry
gonna
drones
pay
of
out
love.
though.
They want you to believe that this is just
I
part
think
of the
that
deal.
shit's gonna smack it here.
I am here today to tell you that's not true. These problems are solvable. A safer, free speech respecting, more enjoyable social media is possible.
Bitcoin needs to get back up above
There's
50.
one thing that I hope everyone takes away from these disclosures.
There we go.
It is that Facebook can change, but is clearly not going to do so on its own. My fear is that without action, divisive and extremist behaviors we see today
Bitcoin was
are
just
only
running
the beginning.
it for the
What
longest,
we
and
saw
then
in
it just.
Myanmar and are now
Damn.
seeing in Ethiopia are only the opening chapters of a story so terrifying, no one wants to read the end of it.
Shiba coin
Congress
is
can change
gone,
the
dude.
rules
I
that
don't know.
Facebook
It might
goes by
continue to
and
run it
stop the
again.
million harms
Medics
that's
is
now
making it
present.
another. About to try to make a
We
day high
know
again.
the truth
It needs to get
about
back up
Facebook's
above that
destructive impact.
30,
I really appreciate
33,
the
43 area.
seriousness which the members
Currently
of
trading
Congress
at
and
33,
Securities and
35
Exchange
right
Commission are
now.
approaching these issues.
Almost there.
I came forward
Quest
with
of Therapeutics at
personal risk
$4.10.
because I believe we still
Chamber
have
Energy
time to
is
act.
getting clapped at $2.69. AMC is well on its way to the moon at $37.52. Coinbase is still breaking my heart, but I'm still buying more of it because I don't know no better. And then this new big digital one is doing all right. And Shiba Coin, that one just needs to. That one I don't even know what to say about Shiba Coin. The Russell 2000 is doing pretty strong. TLT is getting clobbered. I like it though, because the TLT gets clobbered, TBT is gonna do well, because they do they inverse with each other.
I want to ask you about this idea of disclosure you talked about.
That's crazy. Looking at my Coinbase, it just went straight up to the moon. It's just like a straight vertical,
And we're going to have 5-minute.
just vertical. It was just doing this thing, and then that's what cryptocurrency does, though. I mean, it'll do its thing, and then the next thing you know, it goes straight vertical.
And that's what we need to do more. In August, Senator Blackburn and I wrote to
And they'll even do it on the way down too. It'll probably pick up some support right here where it's at right now.
works and safeguards children and teens on Instagram, Facebook dogs, sidetrack,
Right here.
in effect misled us. So I'm going to ask you a few straightforward questions to break down some of what you have said, and if you can answer them yes or no, that would be great. Has Facebook's research, its
Excuse
own
me,
research,
man.
ever found that its platform
Dow rebounds
has a
400
negative
points,
effect
wipes out Monday's
on children
losses.
and teens'
That's good.
mental health or well-being?
BTB right there on VWAP. Looks like it's a good time to play
Many of Facebook's
VWAP.
internal research reports
Oh, what do we got?
indicate that Facebook has a serious negative harm on a non-significant, a significant portion of teenagers and younger and children.
And has Facebook ever offered features that it knew had a negative effect on children's and teens' mental health?
She said, "Oh no, no, no."
Facebook knows that its amplification algorithms.
Oh man, of
and
course,
running
crack
a
is down
database
too.
ranking on
Anybody who's
Instagram can
oh
lead
wait, is it
children
back up?
from very
No, it's
innocuous
down.
topics
That's
like
fucked up.
healthy recipes. I think all of us.
It's a good
can
thing
eat
I
more
got
healthy.
multiple accounts,
All
fuckers.
the way from just something innocent like healthy recipes to anorexia promoting content over a very short period of time.
And has Facebook ever found, again, in its research, that kids show sign of addiction on Instagram?
Facebook has studied a pattern that they call problematic use, what we might more commonly call addiction. It has a very high bar for what it believes it is. It says you self-identify that you don't have control over your usage and that it is materially harming your health, your schoolwork, or your physical health. 5 to 6% of 14-year-olds have the self-awareness to admit both those questions. It is likely that far more than 5 to 6% of 14-year-olds are addicted to Instagram.
Ah, yeah.
Last Thursday, my college.
All right. Well, it is 7:41, ladies and gentlemen. I need to wrap this up and get ready for work. But I want to thank everybody for tuning in to me, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter and Instagram if you can now at Isaac Straight. And remember, none of this is recommendation. And I'll catch you guys on my next Power Hour stream. Chris, everybody else, thanks for coming in. Eric, Susan, Ariana,
Isn't he the one who will be making
and Barry. Catch you guys later. I'm out.
experience in the company?